Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Motor Drive. Today, we're looking at the future of the automotive industry, ranking our top 5 electric vehicles. Be sure to watch to the end to find out the tricks manufacturers are using to compete with the traditional combustion engine. If you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's charge into the countdown. Number 5. The Jaguar I-Pace. Dubbed by the company as the most important Jag since the iconic E-Type. With the emissions clock ticking ever closer to new regulations, the company has thrown billions of pounds into the development of electric vehicles, and over 1.5 million miles were driven in prototypes around the world to ensure Jaguar got it right at the first time of asking. The I-Pace is powered by a 90 kWh battery, which operates 396 horsepower to the 4 wheels, pulling the car from 0 to 62 in 4.8 seconds, with a range of 258 miles of what Jaguar call real-world driving. Speed isn't the main focus of this vehicle. With the future in mind, it offers performance, range and luxury, while maintaining the practicality and versatility of a mid-size SUV. All of this comes at a price, starting at $64,625. Number 4. The Polestar II. A brand you may not have heard of before. Polestar started life as the name of a Swedish racing team that had become part of Volvo. In 2017, while still being part owned by Volvo, it became a separate company, specialising in fully electric luxury vehicles. Fitted with a 78 kWh battery, producing a punchy 402 horsepower. This gives an official range achieved of 292 miles. The Polestar II represents what the brand is really aiming for, with minimalist luxury at the forefront, with its Scandinavian roots clear to see. It's the closest thing on the market today as a competitor to the Tesla Model 3, but a tad more expensive at $60,000. Number 3. The Ford Mustang MacE. Ford's longest-serving model is undoubtedly here to stay. Built on an all-new platform, the MacE comes with the option of a 76 or 99 kWh battery, producing 254 or 332 horsepower respectively. With the choice of rear-wheel and all-wheel drive, the prices range from $42,000 to $58,000. The fastest reaches 0 to 62 in 5.1 seconds, which is just as quick as the 5-litre Mustang Coupe. Ford confirmed a GT version with upwards of 480 horsepower will be available in late 2021. The interior is a complete revamp, looking completely different to any Mustang before it. It would be fair to say Ford is another manufacturer taking inspiration from Tesla. Number 2. The Tesla Model 3. The leading innovator of electric vehicles. The Model 3 provides pretty much everything you'd look for in an EV. Practicality, high tech, paired with solid performance and great range. The Model 3 is the cheapest in the Tesla range, but don't let that fool you. Like previous Teslas, the performance model can give most supercars a run for their money. With an increased range of 352 miles, the mere 75 kWh battery will launch you from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, reaching a top speed of 162 miles per hour. Prices range from $38,000 for the standard range plus model all the way to $57,000 for the performance model. You'll struggle to find another car on the market offering this much for this price. Number 1. The Porsche Taycan. Stuttgart's first EV is a proper Porsche. Insanely fast, comfortable to drive, and maintains the practicality of everyday use. The Taycan is a GT with the heart of a sports car. It comes in 4 models. These models range from a 79 kWh battery to a chunky 93 kWh battery. Power outputs range between 321 horsepower to a mega 616 horsepower for the Turbo S, which will do 0 to 62 in just 2.8 seconds, with a range of up to 258 miles. All this luxurious design and power come at a hefty cost. Prices for the Taycan start at $79,000 all the way to a hefty $185,000 for the Turbo S. We believe the Taycan is more than worthy of the top spot, with Porsche announcing electric variations of other models to come in the near future.